And my God, nandito po ang isa sa ating mga beloved suki ng
Yes,
STL,
of
mga kapatid. Maglalabas po kasi siya ng all-original album, no? Alam niyo na po, si Ice Sigera po, mga kapatid.
Ay, mga suki.
8-track collection, all original.
Yes, ma'am.
Anong process nito? Gaano katagal?
Sa totoo lang, matagal po. Kasi some of the songs that I've written here, lampas 12 years na rin.
Wow.
Yes, so talagang mga naipon sa baul, may ibang very recent lang. So halo-halo siya talaga.
Oo, tas ano yung may theme ba yung album or sobrang ibang-iba? Iba-iba pala.
Genre-wise, may pagka-eclectic siya kasi doon mo talaga makikita na medyo yung iba matagal ko nang nasulat at yung iba medyo recent. Kasi lyrics-wise, it's still very personal. Pero in terms of the music, talagang doon mo makikita yung pagkakaiba. At saka at the same time kasi like, ako kasi when I do my live performances, sana manood na kayo soon. Talaga, I don't really, stay in one genre. So it's really the story that threads everything together.
Pero doon sa mga kasama dito sa album mo, ano yung masasabi mo na pinakang nagre-reflect sa'yo?
Naku.
Nagsasabi ng kwento mo.
Lahat po yan kasi. Basically 6 songs there, ako yung sumulat ng lyrics. And then the 2 songs naman, kahit hindi ako yung sumulat, it's Liza who wrote it. So, alam mo yun. Pero right now, siguro, in terms of my mental state and everything, it's really Shelter of the Broken.
So,
At saka
ito yung
nandyan ka.
latest na sinulat mo?
Yes. Yes, I wrote the lyrics. I wrote it during the pandemic. Pero, when we released it kasi, it was the day after my mom passed. So sabi ko, ano ba yan? Parang sinakto naman ang nanay ko talaga. Oo.
So, sabi mo kasi parang 12 years or more than 12 years in the making.
Yeah.
So, dito makikita natin yung transition mo, basically, emotionally, mentally.
Yes.
Obvious siya dun sa
Ako parang ma-obvious mo. But siguro ang pinaka-running thread dito ay how personal it is for me. Kasi I mean, syempre, of course, I've had original songs written by other people and normally, kilala rin ako to sing covers of different songs. Yeah. Pero parang, ngayon ko masasabi na siguro I've gathered enough courage to really sing the songs that I write or I've written. Kasi parang, siguro parang isa yun sa mga major fears ko eh. Diba? Like, syempre, parang for me, yung natatak kasi sa utak ko before nung bata ako na parang if you come up with something, you have to be sure it's successful. Kasi parang naka-equate siya sa pag hindi ito kumita or hindi ito maging successful, hindi siya mag-hit. Paano yung trabaho? Paano yung, di ba? Anong pangkakain mo? Parang ganun. So for the longest time nandun siya. And up until now, I'm still fighting that. Alam mo yun na parang that I can freely express what I want without being afraid of paano pag di nila gusto yung kanta. Alam mo yun?
Alam mo,
ganun siya.
Doon sa, parang recent lang yung essay or yung article na ginawa ni Liza, na nilabas sa isang dyaryo. Parang nasabi mo nga yun, yung what if no one connects with the
it's a
product,
fear.
what if, pero interesting sa akin yung what if I let people down, parang, bakit nasa utak mo yun na parang, although, narinig ko naman yung song mo na kinanta mo sa OBP, parang it connects.
Siguro, ever since kasi bata ako, I've been working. So, I mean, diba, while other artists see singing as an expression or as their art, malaki dun sa akin, percentage sa akin na I see this as a job that helps my family. And yun nga, parang with the recent passing of my mom, and of course my dad has passed na rin like 5 years ago. So certified ulila na to. Parang nagkakaroon ako ng mga introspection din, 'di ba? Na ano ba talaga ako? Alam mo 'yun. Ngayong wala na yung kumbaga nagte-tether sa akin so parang am I now more free to really express things? Alam mo 'yun? Yeah.
Mas madali ba sa'yo like now, intense yung emotion mo of grief ngayon, mas feel mo bang magsulat na magsulat dahil nalilet out mo eh. Parang catharsis.
Yeah,
Oo.
Ever since my mom passed, I've written na 3 lyrics na. Oo, na parang every time I feel something, kasi parang, ano kasi ako may pagka-perfectionist ako. Kumbaga, I'm sure you know naman, diba, in this industry, parang I grew up in this industry. And alam yung pakiramdam na, yun nga, like yung sinabi ko kanina, it has to be really good. Alam mo yan? So, syempre, when you write songs, the tendency is, you make mistakes, di ba? It's not that, and I was so afraid before to make mistakes.
Punta ako doon sa fear na yan, again, Aiza, dahil baka yung fear ni Ice na baka hindi makakonect sa mga tao. Pero gusto ko kasi mapatunayan na hindi, kasi ako nung first time ko siyang marinig yung song doon sa OBP, connect agad eh. So, sa mga viewers lang natin, alam ko ready na for Ice to to connect with our viewers with the song
Okay.
Yeah.
Hanip sa segue
Wait.
Shattered dreams, broken soul, unspoken fears and clouds of doubt. Who am I? I don't know now. And emptiness I feel inside. Bleakness surrounds this room full of light. Where do I belong? I still don't know. How much longer can I take it? Oh, how much longer can I hide it? But I won't let it take over me. I won't let it take over me. Free me from the demons in my head. Free me from the dark thoughts in my head. My soul's been wandering where comfort is, for I've been losing sleep. But now I'm found in the shelter of the broken.
So, ano siya, soft rock? Anong genre yan? Yung ganyan.
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko rin alam.
Kasi pag
Basta it connects. Kahit wala naman sa kanya, hindi alam yung genre.
every time I write, I co-wrote this song with Trisha Denise, who's an amazing songwriter. But
Ganda nga.
sobrang, every time kasi I write songs, hindi ko siya inisip na, dapat medyo tunog blues. Parang whatever comes out. Basta as long as I know I can sing it.
Yeah.
Minsan next years, may hip-hop na lumabas na hindi natin alam. Pero,
Oo, no. Oh. Ice, invite natin sila. And also, let's plug your,
yes.
your
So,
Other activities.
Yeah.
I'm inviting everyone to please stream my new single, Shelter of the Broken. It's on Ice Sigera. Okay? Ice Sigera, hindi Isa Sigera. So, it's Ice Sigera. It's on Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes. And malapit na po ang release ng dalawa pa naming single called Nandyan Ka. And wag na lang pala, sa July 18 na po ang labas nito. So, pakiabangan nyo na rin po. Just follow nga Ice Sigera sa mga streaming platforms niyo. And on September 12 and 13, I have a concert called Being Ice at the Newport Performing Arts Theater. Tickets are available at Ticket World. Sana po ay magkita-kita po tayo
Yan,
dyan.
birthday concert ba yan?
Birthday concert, anniversary concert.
Ay, wow.
Halo-halo na.
Okay na ba social media mo? Alam mo naman na
Yes. Oo. So, Facebook po, Ice Sigera. Yung black and white yung picture. Opo.
Yes.
Pagkatapos, I'm also on Instagram. Ano bang Instagram ko? Ice Sigera din po. Tapos, nasa TikTok din ako. Ice the Person.
Ice the
Ice the Person. Tapos, parang yun yung mga
Yeah.
ano ko.
Go. follow and
Oh.
subscribe. Okay. Thank you, Ay.
Salamat po
Salamat,
mga Subi.
Ay.
Maraming salamat. I hope to see you naman. Ito, 2 days na magkasunod,
talaga.
ha?
Yes.
Wala nang excuse, ha?
Lisa, hello sa'yo. Alam ko busy
Hi,
ka.
Liza.
Kasama mo yan.